This is a 2010 Mercedes-Benz GL 450. It features a 4.6-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium One package, an air suspension, skid plates, heated front seats, aluminum wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a trailer hitch receiver, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, rear fog lamps, a stability control system, rear power windows, and this vehicle has fewer than 37,000 miles on the odometer. This Mercedes-Benz has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.